become an international name. So it has to have international standards. If I drop my standards, I will be letting my teacher down. The name Jun Goju-kai is pure Goju-kai. Pure Goju-kai in relation to what Gogen Sensei taught. It is not a diluted system. It's pure in every aspect, physical, mental, spiritual. So my objective is to keep the name of my teacher and keep the name of my school in its pure essence. So I will not have people in my organization that pollutes the name of Jun Goju-kai. I'm selective who I choose. Thank you.